Today we will do types of pronouns. So we have seen pronouns. Now we will see types of pronouns. Okay. So in types of pronoun, we will just see personal pronoun. But I want you all to know that there are 7 types of pronouns. First is personal pronouns, second indefinite pronouns, third relative pronoun, fourth intensive pronouns, then fifth demonstrative pronouns, sixth interrogative pronoun, and seventh reflexive pronoun. So there are 3 point of view: first person, second person, third person. So in a sentence, we will always keep in mind that the first person is a person like I am speaking. So let's, for example, first person is Romil, second person over here is Raj, and the third person is Reena. So Romil is a person who is speaking. Second person is the person with whom Romil is speaking to, Raj, and the third person is Reena. So there are 2 forms of these first, second, third person also. Okay, that these are singular form and plural form. So let's see. First person pronoun: I is a singular, we is a plural pronoun. Okay, now second person pronoun: you is a singular, and again you is a plural. Third person pronoun: he, she is singular, they, it are plural. So let's see once again, based on the types of pronoun, there are 3 types of pronoun. Again, 3 type of personal pronoun: subjective, possessive, and objective. So subjective is used for subject, like I, we, he, she is the example. And then possessive is used to show ownership, possession. Okay, so it will be my, me, my, mine, then ours, ours, his, her, their, theirs, whose. Objective is used for objects: me, us. So these are the examples of objective pronoun. So today, till now, let's review. Personal pronouns are 3 types of personal pronouns. 3 types of persons are there: first person, second person, third person. Okay, and there are 2 types of forms: singular form and plural form. There are 3 types of personal pronoun: subjective, possessive, and objective. Okay, so these 3 things you have to keep in mind as we go further. Let's see the examples which we have. First person represents the person speaking, as I said, Romil. Okay, so as we said, these are 2 forms: singular and plural form. So again, subjective, possessive, and objective, these are the 3 different parts of personal pronoun. So I, we. For possessive, my, mine, our, ours. Okay, let's take the example so that you can understand clearly. Singular form: I am a good swimmer. Plural form: we are a team of swimmer. Second person. So subjective, possessive, objective. Again, 3 forms. Okay, 3 types of personal pronoun. So for subjective, second person, we use you. Possessive, you, yours, and objective, you. Okay. Now you have to keep in mind before you speak. Sentence examples. Singular form: you like cooking. Plural form of that will be again, you are all great cook. Okay, third person: subjective, possessive, objective. Singular form of subjective is he, she, it. Plural they. Possessive: his, her, hers, their, theirs. Objective: him, her, it. And plural form will be them. Okay, so third person represent the person or a thing other than the first and the second person whom we are talking about. Example: singular form: he reads a newspaper regularly. Plural form: they read newspapers regularly. Okay, so this is a chart which you have to learn, and you have to make this chart in your copy and learn it by heart. The first person, second person, third person are 3 kind of persons we have, and 2 forms: singular form and plural form, which we have already done. Okay, the first person, can you see in singular form and plural form what are, and this is there in your book also, so you can go through this chart, and anything you're not able to understand, just let me know. Okay, so whenever we are speaking, always remember, don't make a mistake in first person, second person, or third person, and always remember what is the singular form and the plural form. Next we will do the exercise.